Next is ordering decimals. Ordering decimals means you are comparing the decimals. Comparison means you are finding which is the larger or which is the smaller decimal number given in the question. Which is greater? Here in this question we are finding the greatest one. Students, first question is 0.5 or 0.05. Students, you can see no number is there in the whole number part. That is, what is whole number part? Whole number part is the part which is coming on the left side of the decimal point. So, which is the whole number part here? 0. Here, both the whole number part is 0. So, next, compare the 10th position. 10th position. Here it is 5. Here it is 0. Which is greater? 5 is greater. So, 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Now, second question. 0.7 or 0.5. Can you see any whole number part here? No. Here also the whole number part is 0. Next, look at the 10th position. T-E-N-T-H-S. 10th position. Here the digit in the 10th position is 7 and in the second decimal number the digit in the 10th position is 5. Which is greater? 7 is greater. So, 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Hope it is clear for you. Next, 7 or 0.7. Read the question once again. 7 or 0.7. Can you see any decimal point in the first number? 7. No, there is no decimal point in the first number. That means it is a whole number. 7 is a whole number. That number doesn't have a decimal part. Now consider the second number. Which is the second number? 0.7. 0.7. Here the whole number part is 0. What about the first number? The first number, the whole number part is 7. In the second number, the whole number part is 0. So, which is greater? 7. So, the answer is 7 is greater than 0.7. Fourth question. 2.03 or 2.30. In both the numbers you can see the same digits but read the number carefully. 2.03 or 2.30. What will you look first? You will look at the whole number part first. Which is the whole number part? In both the numbers you can see 2. The whole number part is 2. So, you cannot compare. So, you will go to the 10th position. Where? 10th position. So, 0 and here it is 3. So, which is greater? 3 is greater. So, what is the final answer? 2.30 is greater than 2.03. What is that? 2.30 is greater than 2.03. Next one. 0.8 or 0.88. 0.8 or 0.88. Now look here. Which is the whole number part? 0. In both the numbers, the whole number part is 0. Let us consider the 10th position. It is 8. Again, both are same. Can you see any number here? No. You cannot see a second number in the first decimal number. So you will consider it as 0. You will consider it as 0. If you don't have any number here, you will consider it as 0. Next, what is about the second number? It is 8. So which is greater, 0 or 8? You will have 8 as the greater number. So what is the final answer? 0.88 is greater than 0.8. Or I can read it as 0.88 is greater than 0.80. Next topic, decimals in measurements. Decimals in measurements. This is the topic where you use decimals in day-to-day life. Okay, now this is thoroughly taught you in 6th standard. We have done express the quantities of like rupees, length, volume and all. Okay, while converting lower units of money, length and weight to their higher units, we are required to use decimals. For example, 3 paise equal to, how will you convert it to rupees? You know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So you will divide 3 paise to, you will divide rupees 3 by 100. That is rupees 0.03. 5 gram you are going to convert to kilogram. That is gram is the lower unit, kilogram is the highest unit. So gram to kilogram you will divide by the conversion factor. Here you can see commonly used conversion factor. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 100 meter. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Students, so when you are asked to convert millimeter to centimeter, you will divide by 10. Similarly, if you are converting centimeter to meter, you will divide by 100. If you are converting meter to kilometer, you will divide by 1000. These conversion factors should be thorough with you. Okay, now we are going to see how you are going to convert the following. 7 paise to rupees. So which is the conversion factor? Paise to rupees. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 7 divided by 100 equal to 0.07. Here the number of zeros is 2. So in the decimal place also you need 2 decimal places. Okay. 235 paise to rupees. Again, which is the conversion factor? 100. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Now, 235 divided by 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So, from the right, I am going to count 1, 2 and I'll put the decimal point here. Don't count from the left. Students, I am telling you again, when you are dividing, you will start from the right. Next, 5 centimeter in meters. So, what is the conversion taking place here? Centimeter to meters. Centimeter to meters, what will happen? 100. So, the conversion factor is 100. So, 5 divided by 100 is 0.05 meter. Next one, 5 centimeter in kilometer. Students, look here. We didn't learn direct conversion of centimeter to kilometer. How did you learn? You learned from centimeter you will convert to meter first, then meter to kilometer. How many zeros are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Centimeter to kilometer. What is that? Centimeter to kilometer. You have 2 steps. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, if you are converting centimeter to kilometer, you are dividing it by 1 lakh. 5 by 1 lakh. So, the answer is 0.0005 kilometer. 4 zeros are there. Students, now I'll show you what is happening here. You have 5 here. From here, I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I am putting point here. But I don't have any numbers here. So, instead of that, I am writing 0 in every position. Clear? That is how I got the answer 0.00005 kilometer. Now, 35 millimeter into centimeter. That you know the conversion factor is 10. Now, 35 millimeter in meter. Again, we are going to convert the number which you don't know. Millimeter to meter. What is that? Millimeter to meter. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are there. So, we'll see. (35 by 1000). Students, you should be very thorough with the conversion factors. Then only you can do this exercise. Now, 35 millimeter in kilometer. What you are going to do is, you are going to convert millimeter to kilometer. From millimeter to kilometer, how many zeros? If you are converting to centimeter, 1 0. Again, if you are converting to meter, 2 zeros. Again, meter to kilometer, you have 3 zeros. Totally, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, if you want to convert millimeter to kilometer, you want to divide by 10,000. Clear? Now, 200 gram in kilogram. Here also you know the conversion factor is 1000. Now, 3470 gram in kilogram. In kilogram. Once again, I will show you how you are going to write this. 3, 4, 7, 0. Okay. Here you are going to divide by 1000. I am telling you again, you will start from the right end. So, 3 zeros in 1000. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay. You will put the decimal point here. So, the answer is 3.470.